Hello everybody. It's the 2-year update of the GE refrigerator. Got a lot of personal photos on there, so it's easier just to put a white bag over them and go on about my day. There's the emblem from the 1987 GE, which this replaced. And I guess I can go over all the problems it's had. I've got some notes here of all the problems it's had. We'll take a look at that right quick. Wait a minute. Oh, it's had no problems. Okay, cool. Currently off. Looks like we're running a little low on bacon. Ice maker's still working just fine. Need to do a little bit of deep cleaning in there now that the stock is depleted a little bit. And look at the inside. Drawers are still working nice and smoothly. That one as well. All that's working just fine. Probably get a door alarm before this is over. And then just as a refresher, it's a GDE 21EGKURWW R600. And there's, can pause if you want to look at that a little bit more. But I bought this brand new in 2022. And best that I remember, it had just been manufactured prior to delivery. It hadn't sat out very long. And I keep the same schedule as I have done with the other refrigerators. Clean the coil at least once a year, and it seems to be happy with that. I think it just turned on. Yep. So it's working pretty well. Hadn't been long since I changed the filter. But all good. Hopefully it continues to do so. So once again, 2-year update on the 2022 GE refrigerator. Thank you for watching.